show from one of those blue skies chalets right now, Danny Clisham. What a great way to do this.
I couldn't think of a better way, and thank you personally for allowing my personal sponsors to help me on the North American tour. One of them is a great Ohio company, Goodyear Custom Eagle 3 General Aviation Tires. The only general aviation tire made with 30% Kevlar, the only one. And Goodyear, they say every landing counts. And by the way, the takeoffs count as well. And Goodyear Custom Eagle 3 Tires does the job for you. And I think, Danny, that you and I are both happy to be riding on Goodyear tires in our airplanes. Yes, we'll take off and landings. Thank you to the Concord batteries from Muscovina, California, reliable lightweight steel batteries. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you make your way back, we are about to turn it over to the narration team for one of the most unbelievable flight demonstrations of a jet you're ever going to see. It is the F-22 Raptor. So, this is the heads up. You can start making your way back to the spectator area, to your chairs and seats and whatnot. You will have a little time as we will introduce you to the team narrator as they get ready to perform.
And what a treat it is to be able to introduce Master Sergeant Jamie Fleming. He's from the Dayton, Ohio area. Listen to him, born and raised in Bellbrook. He's a hometown guy, and he is so excited to be part of this show. And let me just ask you, Jamie, as a guy on this team, this is a pretty elite deal for you to be able to do this. And what got you into the Air Force, my friend?
Yeah, Rob, growing up here, right here in Dayton, Ohio. Home of the Wright brothers, you know, watching the airplanes flying down a Wright pad, and it's just always kind of been my blood. So I eventually joined the Air Force. You know, 15 years later, I find myself on the F-22 demo team, and it's my pleasure to be right back here in Dayton, Ohio.
We are glad that you are, my friend. With all of the great sponsors, including Vectren, our title sponsor, our presenting sponsor, Kroger, and all the others, this is a show that is considered to be one of the top 10 shows in all of the North American air show business. And Dayton, the city that taught the world to fly, is right on top of things. Danny Clisham?
All right, thank you. We'd like to thank the Greater Dayton RTA, proud to be a 30-year transportation sponsor for the region's summer events. The Greater Dayton Air Show, RTA is the transportation agency that makes getting to and from the air show fast, comfortable, and easy. If you arrive today by shuttle from the Air Force Museum or by the Wright Stop Plaza, you know that to be a true statement, and if you haven't, next year is another year for Greater Dayton RTA to make life easy for you. Visit iriderta.org for more information. RTA, it's time to ride. Hey, the Chairman's Club's got some really neat people. We would like to acknowledge them. They're viewing the show in comfort while supporting the show. They are Brown and Brown CPAs. They are the Merritt family. We'd like a salute to Hardenstein, Nicholas, and Blumenthal. And a salute to Nylon Dental Team, to Cybec Capital Partners. Thank you to Ralston family, the Ralston family. Thank you to CTL Aerospace Incorporated. Thank you to Deb and Gary Hilliard and their family. To Bob Frank and family. A salute to the American Testing Service. A tip of the hat to real estate sellers and buyers, Miss Julie Martinez. Thank you to NYA Pet Brands, the Home and Vapes Company, and Lieutenant Commander W.T. Johnson, United States Navy retired and family route rider.
Indeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the voice of the F-22 Raptor demonstration team once again from Bellbrook, right down the road. Please welcome Master Sergeant Jamie Fleming.
Yeah.
of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike Holmes, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we'd like to once again welcome you to the 2018 Veteran Dayton Air Show. I'm F-22 Raptor Demonstration Superintendent, Master Sergeant Jamie Fleming from Belbrook, Ohio. I'm here with our safety observer and combat ready fighter pilot, Captain Kenneth Bell, call sign Ringer from Norman, Oklahoma. As proud members of Air Combat Command's first fighter wing located at Joint Base Langley Eustis in Hampton, Virginia, it is my distinct pleasure to describe to you today a capability demonstration by the most technologically advanced, fifth-generation fighter aircraft in the world. The F-22 Raptor's mission is air dominance. It supports our Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, Air Force, and allies to freely operate in today's joint fight, anywhere, anytime. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Paul Lopez II, call sign Loco, from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Major Lopez is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,400 hours flying fighter aircraft. Launching Major Lopez with our expert maintenance team, dedicated crew chiefs, Staff Sergeant Israel Davila from the Bronx, New York, and Staff Sergeant Alexander Nickham from Elgin, Illinois. Assisting me at the show center is our aircrew flight equipment specialist, Staff Sergeant Anne-Marie Priscilla from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and my avionics technician, Senior Airman Jack DeVos from Bardstown, Kentucky. You are about to witness the maneuvering capabilities of the most advanced and most lethal fighter aircraft in your United States Air Force. The F-22 you'll see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. While we can't show you everything that makes the F-22 Raptor the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thus-vector maneuvering capabilities as it executes maneuvers that no other combat-ready fighter aircraft in the world can perform. The firepower of the Raptor comes in any combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 also has an internal cannon, capable of firing 6,000 rounds of 20mm ammunition per minute. It is a true first look, first shot, first kill weapon system. The Raptor plays a vital role in the defense of this nation and represents your Air Force's dedication to aim high, fly, fight and win, and train our ability to meet any challenge, anytime, under any conditions, anywhere in the world. As today's demonstration begins to your right, you'll see the Raptor executing maximum power takeoff, releasing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. The Raptor will virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 1,000 feet. And the climb, Major Lopez will quickly push the nose over and accelerate forward. So now, it's time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, your F-16.
You're rolling 150 mil, man, that's what it does, you know? Like, it goes. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, you got rid of it, it just left. Holy shit.
for supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter who will make fully internal combat weapons. Ready to extract your basic from the left. Get sight for his weapons failures.
He's about to scare us, I think. I'm super fast.
there at Dayton.